Hi friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to learn how to install Salesforce CLI in system. Okay, so this is the link from where you can download this Salesforce CLI. So my system is the Windows, so I will download it for the Windows. If it's Mac, then you can click on this Mac icon and you can download it by using this download options. If you have Linux like Ubuntu system, then you can select this Linux option and then click on this download. So currently my system is Windows, so and it's 64. So mostly regularly it's 64. So I recommend you to download the for Windows 64 option. Okay, it's getting downloaded here. Okay, it's done. Okay, install. I will provide this link uh, in my um, video description, so you can take this link and just need to open in your Chrome browser and download this Salesforce CLI from there. Yeah, it gets installed. Okay, now you can see all the uh, SFTX commands in VS Studio. For that, just Control Shift P, then type search for SFTX, and you can see all the options you can see here. Okay, so in this way, it gets installed. Thanks for watching. Do let me know if you have any questions by adding your comments to this video. I definitely answer your questions. Yeah, thank you.